Mm. Ugh.
Yeah. Hey, Puffy. Hey, good Josh. You cat. Yuck. Ah. Oh, that's disgusting. She's rather dark looking.
She is.
I'm racist.
You're racist.
I'm racist. You have a little cat drawing there so dark.
You got me right in the brightness.
Oh, look at you go. Woo-hoo! Right. Jump up, jump up, jump up. You're a cat. Cat. Oh.
Rose!
Yeah, it's just Lucas. It's just Lucas. She's a bit of a poser, really, isn't she?
Hmm.
Look at her. Flashing us cleavage and everything. Oh, look at that. She's trying to give me some lesbian action. Jesus, Rose. Put a camera in front of her and she's just all over you. She's like Britney Spears or something.
Porn star wannabe.